Hey guys! Get ready for an electrifying journey into the world of solar generators. Picture this, a future where you're charging devices, powering your home, and going off-grid, all thanks to clean, renewable energy from the sun. These compact powerhouses embody environmental responsibility and energy independence. But they are more than just generators. Check out their incredible talent here. Best Advisor has your back with a list of the top 6 solar generators in this video, and we've even included all the product links in description so you can find your favorite. Subscribe now, like if you found this video useful, and let's dive into the solar revolution together. Number 6. YETI AC200 Max. Introducing the YETI AC200 Max, the powerful beast of portable power stations. With 2048 WH/LFP cells and a 2200W inverter, it's your ultimate energy source on the go or off the grid. But here's the kicker, it's expandable. Add 2 YETI B300S for a massive 8192 WH capacity or 2 B230S for 6144 WH, ensuring all your devices stay charged. And when it's time to refuel, AC200 Max supports dual charging, with up to 900W solar and 500W AC input, so you can be up and running in less than 5 hours. With 16 versatile ports, including NEMA TT30 and 12V/30 ADC, it's perfect for RVers and DIYers. Plus, wireless chargers for ultimate convenience. What you get? The YETI AC200 Max, a 500W AC adapter, solar/car charging cable, XT90 aviation cable, user manual, a generous 48-month warranty, and friendly local customer service. Number 5. Goal Zero YETI 1500X Solar Generator. The ultimate power solution with the YETI 1500X solar generator and Boulder 200 briefcase solar panel, your ticket to unlimited power anytime, anywhere. This portable powerhouse can charge your smartphones, laptops, fridges, and TVs, making it ideal for power outages or on-the-go adventures. Experience the freedom of harnessing solar energy, whether you're camping or in your own backyard. With an integrated MPPT charge controller, it efficiently charges under the sun or from a wall outlet. What sets Goal Zero apart is not just our cutting-edge technology, but our commitment to making a difference. With every purchase, you're contributing to our humanitarian efforts, impacting over 100,000 lives. Join us in the solar revolution and power up your life with Goal Zero. Number 4. EcoFlow River 2 Pro. Introducing River 2 Pro, your clean and green power solution. With a state-of-the-art 220W bifacial solar panel, you can charge this powerhouse in just 4.5 hours, thanks to its bifacial design that captures 25% more solar energy. This portable generator packs a punch with 800W AC output, expandable to 1600W with X-Boost mode, and plenty of outlets, ensuring all your devices stay powered up. Plus, it's built to last, boasting a long-lasting LFP battery and an advanced battery management system. The rugged solar panel, 5 times tougher than others, is ready for rain or shine with its IP68 waterproof rating. Lightweight and portable, the River 2 Pro is your go-to for off-grid adventures. Moreover, you get a complete package with a 5-year service warranty. Don't miss out on a greener, more powerful future. Number 3. Anker SOLIX F2000. Meet the Anker SOLIX F2000 Powerhouse 767, your long-lasting power solution. Designed to go the distance with a lifespan of 10 years thanks to InfiniPower technology, LiFePO4 batteries, and robust components. With 3-mode angle adjustment and IP67 waterproof protection, the included 531 solar panel is ready for any adventure. Power up to 12 devices simultaneously with a dedicated RV port, for AC outlets, 2400W total, 3 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 car outlets. And here's the kicker, it comes with a 5-year full device warranty, which guarantees peace of mind. What you get is more than just a portable power station. It promises reliable power for a decade and beyond. Number 2. Jackery Explorer 1000. Get ready to revolutionize your outdoor adventures and emergency preparedness with the Jackery Explorer 1000, the ultimate portable power station. Harness 100% green energy with a smart MPPT controller, easily charged by 2 Jackery SolarSaga 100W solar panels, sold separately, or via AC wall outlet, all within hours. Designed for ease of use, its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, and setup takes just 60 seconds for efficient charging. Safety is paramount, with industry-leading cylindrical batteries meeting UL standards and impact resistance certification. Power up to 90% of your home appliances with 1002 Wh capacity and multiple outlets, from AC to USB-C, plus, enjoy quiet operation and pass-through charging. Unleash the power of Jackery Explorer 1000 and elevate your outdoor and emergency power needs. Number 1. EcoFlow Delta 2 Max. Introducing the EcoFlow Delta 2 Max, where power and innovation unite. Experience lightning-fast charging that refuels it up to 80% in just 43 minutes, harnessing the might of both solar and AC inputs. Opt for AC alone, and you'll be powered up in a mere 1.1 hours. But what truly sets this powerhouse apart is its long-lasting LFP battery, delivering 3,000 cycles. That's a staggering 6 times the industry norm, and it comes with an extended 5-year service. Versatile and expandable, it offers triple capacity and a plug-and-play design for effortless customization. Fuel your household appliances with up to 2400 W through 15 outlets, while the X Boost mode handles high wattage devices up to 3400 W. The best part? It's whisper quiet at just 30 dB. Seamlessly manage it all through the EcoFlow app. Share your thoughts in the comments, give us a thumbs up if you found this video useful, and if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the perfect time. Join us for more exciting content in the next video.